While my heart is beating, while my body's breathing, my future's there for you to write. Though today I'm hurting, there's a new day coming, bright and shining like your smile. I won't give up, no, no, I won't give in, no, no. You are the tide on which I rise. I won't back up, no, no, I won't back down, no, no. This is the time for me to rise. You are the fun in my life, you are the joy, you are the laughter inside, and I want more. No one could ever make me happier, no one could ever take me higher. Let's have some fun, 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 fun. Let's have some fun, 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 yeah. This I know for sure now, nothing's keeping me down. Every fear is gonna go. Can't stop my feet from dancing, stop my spirit soaring. You're the rhythm in my soul. I won't give up, no, no, I won't give in, no, no. You are the tide on which I rise. I won't back up, no, no, I won't back down, no, no. This is the time for me to rise. You are the fun in my life, you are the joy, you are the laughter inside, and I want more. No one could ever make me happier, no one could ever take me higher. Let's have some fun, 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 fun. Let's have some fun, 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 fun. Throw your hands in the air like you just don't care. Reach for the sky, let your heart run wild. Dance like there's no one watching. Sing like your soul is bursting. Throw your hands in the air like you just don't care. Reach for the sky, let your heart run wild. Dance like there's no one watching. Sing like your soul is bursting. Throw your hands in the air like you just don't care. Reach for the sky, let your heart run wild. Dance like there's no one watching. Sing like your soul is bursting. Yeah. You are the fun in my life, you are the joy, you are the laughter inside, and I want more. No one could ever make me happier, no one could ever take me higher. You are the fun in my life, you are the joy, you are the laughter inside, and I want more. No one could ever make me happier, no one could ever take me higher. Let's have some fun, 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 fun. Let's have some fun, 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 fun. Let's have some fun.
Hi guys, my name is Kelsey and I have this really cool box, and it's an empty box. And you see, this reminds me of when I was a kid. You see, I had an empty feeling inside. I felt like I had an empty heart. And so I try to fill my heart with money and lots of things, because I thought, you know, money will solve my problem. It'll make me feel full. But it didn't. I still felt like I had an empty heart. So then we thought some more. So then I tried to be really, really good at something. I tried to be really good at sports or really good at school. And so then I knew that that would fix my problem. But my heart was still empty. So we thought some more. And so finally I asked Jesus to fill my heart. And you guys, he did. He filled it with love and joy and peace and patience and so much more. And he will do the same thing for you guys. And you know, my box is still empty, but my heart no longer is, because I have Jesus. Thank you.